Tie Bretuba.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, say.
Bako.
Na bema bena kasa ono.
Achari shona.
Na bema bena ne kasa ono.
Oh yeah, sure. So person din komodi.
O ada obofu. Hello.
My busy why?
Wait,
Bye. Bye.
That's it.
Yes.
Na de oni akumasa.
Pacho wana ni.
Na we.
Why na kasa
Na
no?
mbuza se we.
Who introduce you? Now put your questions.
Introduction ya na me, na introduction ya ni say.
Me ya dio.
Na me buza se woni hifo ne wo ho no.
The thing who is about to me with that power now be some son. I want to know who.
Oh, over. Who buza me question? Me ma buza question unya no na buza bi.
If I trust someone to me, I used to need jaw to honor because
Na umu adi esa. Me no kasa ujama to hin.
I said winning. If I trust one on me.
Na me buza se hifo na ani ngo fie ho no.
Me who only papa and kasa. I just can't answer that. Papa, no. No. Hello. If I should say me jawo, it seems you're not ready to talk to me. Please, make me jawo to a man because I've just told you that my head busy. Now it seems oh, I also finish.
Na wana na kasa no oni broni na wo ho.
Mama.
Hello.
You want any na?
Broni be na
kasa. And way o chamen boasan.
Na ni broni chimpana na.
To be sincere with you, no, I just can't talk to you anymore since you are not ready to talk to me.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
Na woni broni chimpana na me busa ze na broni no ye ode.
I don't have time for that. Bye.
Hello. Yeah, Oima. Oima.
Me too, why, me pacho.
Na me no kasa na de to so.
Some catch us me yeah, dear, but it seems you don't care about that.
Papa ne kra na de kasa em so ya kokra. Ada oni akokra na chimpana na.
I'm very sorry to disappoint you, sir. Me not ready for any of those questions. Why? Me family line medium.
Me fantos. Na so de to so hima wani mie fantos so. Ye din komana de to so. Hello.
Hello.
That na the phone to so.
Iti wana na abo pa se be hama jeni mrisa.
Obi amo me pa ne nyina ye din komana the phone to so. Sa na ya dia.
Edi amani hu na nyime hu. Ase woni o. Wa fe obi wa ka cho se wa ye busy. O ye hwan o se wonka. Wa ye busy so you keep calling. Ha, only bibia ya me culture e wo bibie. Why?
O ye me ana.
Let's drop
busy away o ye den o fie o.
Me ye den o fie ho. Eno so e kan wadwuma ho ana se me maame ana me papa no maso de be ne da wo so ana se tumi be na wo me so be question me around.
O ye me.
Ye me there.
That's an out here.
O ye hwana, you can introduce yourself. What framing? O mom wedi ka ka hye me se me twempena. Ya ba kra twempena me nka ntro se wo ye ya me.
Now, your papa no kasa no titwiana. Kameze mbuza ne zene de no. Hello. Nancy.
Mr. Last time I made a twiswa and try our friend because I wouldn't have that time anymore. Maybe media second time I watch.
I don't know me busa broni na se na abuafu. Enkoma yedi nkoma kama. Me busa broni se na.
Only papa me na kasa I just can't talk. Me kashwe enchiro.
Broni no yede.
Oye mine no. Eno nya wasama.
Ese nye fe. Gana ni kama wabaga broche na obefa broni di ese nye. Ni kura na ho de be no wo. Maybe who sere me ana.
No to one where she house. Now when I didn't number I don't tell you bia minimum but what is na o pulling me till take into na me you know.
The problem is
the
problem is there. Broni we dia here no betime adu. Broni we.
Actually I feel about zoning commodity. Ni die mu a me da se. Bye bye. I don't have time for this. Okay.
Mami musu asem. Die ntia me frɛ wo no. Ohima wo ho.
Me too.
Ma hu ge bi mpese me ye ne lie, but me hu me nka sen.
If I try many times for that, why? Me da se. Bye bye.
Ohima wo de to so a enye fɛ. Akokora ni ntina ade to so, but enye fɛ. Small girl baburu chira be fa akokora. E na akokora be ye wo.
And then so I'm crazy anyway. And then when we did so, when we number 7 we did so bo. Anything I me feel no. I me say we be a minimum take. Anything I me feel no nanka ha.
Inti broni we die ben obetime do.
Oh yo, I know your problem. Why?
Oh sell.
Me that's it.
Yes, you be atafrata frena na ngoye.
Me that's it.
It who how many years?
I'm sorry for you, right?
Ben fan to so.
Uni botaye. Uni bibi ya me strong bibi. Why?
Oh yeah me ana.
Who tie bretuba?